Welcome to TuRight. Do you know what is human skeleton? We often feel hard when we touch our arm or when we touch our leg and when we touch our head. Do you know what is this hard substance inside the body? Well, that substance is our bone. The human body is made up of a number of bones. Together these bones form a framework that gives shape to our body. This framework is the skeleton. A body without a skeleton will appear like jelly that has no shape of its own. Not only does the skeleton give shape and support it, it also helps in the movement of various parts of the body. Now that we know the importance of the skeleton, now let us know some parts of the skeleton. The skeleton comprises four main parts: the skull, the backbone, the rib cage, and the limbs. Let us first learn about the skull. The skull is made up of bones of the head and the face. All the bones of the skull are immovable except the jaw. There are depressions of hole in the skull for eyes and nose. The functions of the skull is to protect an important organ of the body, which is the brain. Next part of the skeleton is rib cage. The rib cage is the bony structure present in the chest area. You can easily feel it each time you keep your hand on your chest. The ribs are curvy in shape. There are 12 pairs of ribs present in a human being. The ribs are joined to backbone on the back and the breastbone in the front. The rib cage protects many important internal organs such as heart and lungs. The next part of the skeleton is the backbone. It is also known as the spine. The spine helps you bend down to pick up things or to tie your shoelaces. It runs from the back of the skull to the lower back of the body. The spine is made up of 33 small bones called vertebrae. These small bones are joined to each other. It is this bone by which the rib cage is attached. The limbs constitute the last part of the skeleton. They are forelimbs and hind limbs. The bones of the arm form the forelimbs. 3 bones, 1 long bone in the upper arm and 2 small bones in the lower arm make the forelimbs. The bone of the upper arm is attached to the vertebra by the collarbone and the shoulder blade. Similarly, 3 bones in the leg together form the hind limb. These are 1 bone in the upper leg or the thigh and 2 bones in the lower leg. The legs are supported by the pelvic bone. All these together make up the skeletal system. Let's recap. The skeleton is a framework of bones that gives shape and support to the body. There are 4 parts of skeleton. These are skull, ribs, spines and limbs. The skull is made up of bones of the head and the face. The skull protects the brain from any damage. Rib cage is the bony structure present in the chest area. The ribs protect the internal organs like stomach and lungs. The spine runs from the back of the head to the lower back and helps in making the body flexible. Arms and legs together make the limbs. The bones of the arm make the forelimb, while the bones of the legs make the hind limb. See you in the next video. If you've liked this video, do not forget to like and subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss on any of these videos. Keep learning. Here in TuRight, we believe that every child is unique, and to help you more with this, we have come up with a free counseling session to help you succeed. Are you worried about scoring less marks in exams? Or are you worried about focus, study hours, consistency? Then all you need is a free counseling session from us. To book a free counseling session with us, all you need to do is type www.turight.com. That's right, turight.com. And as you enter into the website, you get a window where it is being written as free session. You just need to enter your details and you're all set to go. Not only that, Curite also helps you in public speaking, communication, and makes you unique and different from others. Register today to get started.